Nenê?
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire.
Come on, Amazonas.
Set my heart afire.
Nenê. Onde sua aventura? She can't say Inverdoorn. Brasileiro Inverdoorn. Huh?
Lemonade.
Lemonade. No alcohol. She doesn't drink, so she's...
Okay.
Oh, thank you very much. Salute. Que lindo.
My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire.
Welcome to our home for the next 2 days. We're at the so we're at the Inverdoorn Game Reserve. This is a private game reserve, and we've got 2 nights. We booked for just a standard lodge room, but I guess they only had so many guests because of COVID, so they upgraded us. So we're going to glamp for the next 2 days here. Fala.
Nossa nova casa por 2 dias. Como é o nome daqui, meu amor?
Inverdoorn.
Ela fez pra você, ensinamei.
She can't say it. So here's our little private outdoor veranda dining area. And you can see our tent set up here.
Nossa nova casa.
Você gosta?
Sim. Pobre zebra.
Pobre zebra. Wow, look at that bed. Incredible bed. So even our glamping tent has got a ceiling fan.
Noite de fechar.
Yeah. Yep, we can close up our tent opening here for nighttime. We've got an little outer door, and then we've got this big inner door. Get some sitting areas right here.
É um quarto muito luxuoso no meio da floresta. Aqui, banheiro.
Yep. Little banheiro going on over here. And sink. Got this nice little backlit area here with all your shelves on it. And toalhas.
Toalhas, toalha, shampoo. E
Okay.
aqui na cozinha. Toalha aqui. Cuidado.
Ooh, I didn't even see this before.
Ah,
This is a banho.
eu não entendo banho
Yeah.
aqui. Muito frio.
Talvez frio. But quente água.
Yes.
Okay. So we got our shower here. And it's just an open bay shower. I mean, you do have a floor drain, so that's incredible. And no, this is all closed up.
Fechado. Aqui, pequeno maquiagem. Oh, make-up.
Oh, my makeup.
Pequeno.
Ah, look, veja.
Ah, roupa.
Ooh.
Aqui, pequena cozinha. Todinho
Oh,
Globes.
Tadina Groovies.
Gosta de coffee.
Coffee. Little refrigerator. Little quente água. What do we got going on here? Oh,
Eu não sei.
let's see. We got a little safe up there.
Muito lindo.
Você gosta?
Sim, meu amor.
Ah, muito importante.
Muito lindo. Me não mostra o frio.
That's right. So she's got a heater, which is cool for night. So they upgraded us to the glamping setup here. I believe they call this part of the resort Kumanga.
Comanga?
Nome Kumanga.
Nome Comanga?
See.
Muito lindo.
Okay. Say ciao, baby.
Sim.
Ah, yeah. Here we go. This is lemonade. Unfortunately, there's no alcohol. All right. Salute.
Saúde, meu amor.
We like to think we have some form of control still, making our content.
Good morning from beautiful South Africa. I'm trying to be kind of quiet because here at the camp I'm the only one awake. It's a glorious sunrise and beautiful clear skies today. We're hoping to go out and see all the incredible animals here. So you got this big 10-foot electrified fence that separates the game reserve part from our camp. And this is for good reason, because on the other side of this fence are all of the residents of that game reserve, which include most of the major predators. And you got hippos and you got rhinos and all kinds of stuff.
And binary choices and voicing our equally shallow opinions more loudly or quietly. Most people can't even decide what color to wear or which burger to eat. What does it matter, man? Autonomy is an illusion.
All right, we're on a bike ride here at Inverdoorn, and this is, I think, Anne's first time to ride a motorized e-bike. So she can pedal it, but she's also got a motor.
Autonomy is an illusion. Decide what color to wear or which burger to eat. What does it matter, man? Autonomy is an illusion. Autonomy is an illusion.
I'm about to show you something that if I hadn't seen it with my own eyes, I would say it's not real.
Poderia só, eu não adoro. Не попал. Слышь, как заливает.
Hee. Wow. Incredible. Just incredible. The size of his tusks. Oh, come, Nene. Elephants come. Just so you don't think I'm making this up. No. Não, nervosa. Neném, fala português. Não, não, não.
O elefante comer? Ai, meu Deus, eu machucou. Ai, meu Deus.
Wow.
It's your toy.
Yeah, well, it's... Wow. I hope you didn't pee in the pool, because it was... Mi amigo. He's having a snack. And mama elephant's over there drinking out of the pool. And we do so. He's like, hey, I want to be the star of the show. Ooh, toca. Toca.
Não. Vídeo juntos, meu amor.
Yeah. probably been the most amazing experience. Wow, yeah, so the big one is the mama, and the smaller one's got a big old pow suculenta.
Vídeo juntos, meu amor. Vídeo elefante.
Okay, fala.
Fala, grande pau do elefante.
Não escute.
Não, pau do elefante. Um elefante e sua esposa.
This big girl's so big she can't get underneath this tree. Oh, no, she's using it to scratch, Nene. Tocar, yeah.
Massagem.
Yeah, massage. Wow, that's incredible.
Good morning, folks. I'm right outside of my tent, walking toward the perimeter of the camp, and there's this beautiful giraffe. See if I can get close enough without scaring her off. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, baby, don't run off. Good Lord, folks, this thing is huge.